How I'd make $1,000 per month with AI beginner plan. If I had to start from zero today, this is exactly how I'd make my first $1,000 per month using AI. No experience, no hype, just a simple plan anyone can follow. Most people fail with AI because they try everything at once. The key is choosing one AI skill, one tool, and one way to get paid. Let me show you the exact beginner roadmap. Step 1. Pick one AI skill. You don't need to learn everything. You only need one AI-powered skill. Best beginner options. AI writing, blogs, ads, emails. AI design, thumbnails, posts. AI automation, simple workflows. For beginners, AI writing or design is the fastest path. Affiliate soft mention. This is where beginner-friendly AI tools help you skip the learning curve. Step 2. Use one AI tool. Option A. AI writing, beginners and freelancers. With an AI writing tool, you can create content for businesses in minutes instead of hours. Use cases. Blog posts. Product descriptions. Emails. Affiliate CT. I've linked the exact AI writing tool I recommend below. It offers a free trial. Option B. AI design, no design skills. If you prefer visuals, AI design tools let you create thumbnails, social posts, and ads with zero experience. Affiliate CT. The AI design tool I use is also linked below. Step 3. How to get paid. Here's where most people overthink it. You don't need a website or a brand. Simple ways to get paid. Freelance platforms. Small businesses. Content creation, YouTube Shorts. Businesses don't care how the work is done, they care about results. Step 4. Scale to $1,000 per month. $1,000 a month isn't magic math. Example. $250 clients times 4. Or $50 tasks times 20. AI lets you work faster, which means you can take more clients or create more content. Affiliate reminder. This is why automation and all-in-one AI tools are powerful. I've linked those too. Final advice plus seed. Don't chase every AI trend. Master one tool, solve one problem, and repeat. All the AI tools I mentioned, including free trials, are linked below. Subscribe for weekly videos on AI, money, and online income.